for this equation, we are going to make n the subject of the formula here. Alright, so let's rewrite this formula first over here. So s is equals to 2a over 3 square root b square minus n squared. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is, again, since we want n to be the subject and n is on the right hand side, I'm going to move it around. So I'm going to bring this whole term over to my left hand side first. So 2a over 3 square root b square minus n square equals to s. Alright, then the next step is I want to divide this whole term by 2a over 3, so this will disappear. Correct, so if I would do a division by 2a over 3, okay, over here also I have a division of 2a over 3. Correct, so on the left hand side, this and this will cancel out each other, so I'll have square root b square minus n square. On the right hand side, I have, I'll do it here separately. So what I have is s divided by 2a over 3, which is the same as s times 3 over 2a. So it is 3s over 2a. Correct, so that is what I'm going to write over here, 3s over 2a. And what is the next step? The next step is I want to get rid of the square root. Okay, so to get rid of the square root, I must basically square both sides. So here I will do a square operation. Here also I'll do a square operation. So the square root and the square, the power will eventually become 1. So what I have is b square minus n square is equals to 3s square over 2a square, which is 9s square over 4a square. Alright, now let's rewrite that last equation one more time just to see how it looks like here. So I have b square minus n square equals to 9s square over 4a square. Alright, since we want n to be the subject of the formula, we know that eventually what we want is n must be equals to something, correct? And whenever we want to rewrite the equation such that one of the variable is the subject of the formula, it has to be in the positive form, correct? So I want n to be positive, but currently here is negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move n over to the right hand side and bring this term over to the left hand side. Alright, so what is going to happen is I'm going to have b square minus 9s square over 4a square equals to n squared. Okay, so what I've done is this term over here I've moved over to the left side, and the minus n square move over to the right side. Alright, and the last part is I want to make n square n, so I just do a square root on both sides. Okay, so what happened is over here I'll get n, so I'm just going to put this on the left hand side, n equals to square root of b square minus 9s square over 4a square. Okay, so that is the final answer for this question here. All right, thank you.